Hey Jazzies, welcome to another 10-minute Jazz It Up. I'm Jazz, and today we're going to be focusing on upper body, and this workout is catered towards beginners, but all fitness levels are welcome to join. Let's get your weights ready to go. Let's get a mat ready to go. Let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. All right, team, let's get a quick warm-up going and we'll get right to it. So snag a mat, snag a nice comfortable spot on the floor, all right? And just get into that tabletop position and we're gonna get that nice little cat-cow going. Old reliable warm-up here, okay? So just get in that tabletop position, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, and just round the spine, head and hips in, and then flex it out. Nice and easy. In and then out. Hope you're having a great day wherever you're at. It is the time of this filming is around fall. It's early fall in California, so it's a nice little funky weather transitions that are happening. So just getting used to those, but all good stuff. All right, team, pretty much loosening up our back here, loosening up our chest, loosening up our arms and shoulders here, lower back. All right, team. And then we're going to get Superman's going with the rows. Okay, so that's going to be our first exercise. All right, so take a breather. I want you to snag a resistance band, okay, either a small circular one, lightweight, or a nice long one, light resistance, okay? Light resistance for both of them. All right, so as you can see up top, we're gonna get those Superman rows going. Superman rows, so you're gonna bring it up and then pull it back, both arms and legs up, okay? And pull that to the band to your chest, nice and wide. Nice modification is just you don't need to do the row. You just get those arms and legs both up. If that's too much, you can just go right arm, left leg, and alternate left arm, right leg. All right, with that modification. So 2 modifications for this one, but let's get going. We got 10 minutes. Let's get moving. All right, team, here we go. So lay on that chest. 3, 2, 1, and go. So bring it up, row it, straight out, back down, and repeat. Nice and steady with this one, team. Try to hold that Superman as you pull that band to your chest, nice and wide, all right? And then remember, we got those modifications. If the row is too much, all you need to do is just bring those arms and legs up. Arms and legs up. Or just the right arm, left leg up, and then the left arm, right leg up. Okay, a lot of modifications with this one. A lot of variations. Let's go, beauties. Keep it up, looking good. Hitting that back here. Hitting the top part of our back, middle part, and lower part. All 3 major parts here, beauties. Let's go. Almost there. All right, rest it up. Carefully come up, put those bands to the side. Okay, up next we have the hammer press with that tricep push-up position, okay? So I want everybody to snag either 1 medium to medium heavyweight or 2 lightweight, light to light medium weights. Okay, you're gonna hold the 1 weight on the sides, or you're gonna have those 2 weights touching each other as you do the hammer press, nice and narrow. And I say switch, you're gonna put those weights to the side, get into that tricep push-up position, hands underneath the shoulders. You can either do this with your knees up or your knees down. All right, team? So let's get yourselves down. Get those weights in hands. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So up, tap that chest, or have those elbows touch the floor. Nice little tap, inhale down, exhale up. Let's go, beauties, looking good. And just rest those feet, knees up, rest those feet down. Keep it up. Really targeting our chest here, really targeting our triceps. All right, beauties, looking good. Keep it going. Okay, remember, when I call out switch, we're gonna flip over. All right, here we go. All right, switch it up. Carefully put those weights to the side. Get into that tricep push-up position. Hands narrow, knees up or knees down. Okay, knees up or knees down, and just hold it right there. Abs tight, booty tight. Okay, remember, hands underneath the shoulders. Hands underneath the shoulders, not too wide. Not too wide. We're targeting the triceps more with this. Okay, we're targeting our chest too. Abs as well. A little bit of that lumbar spine. But then we're also hitting our triceps mainly, like I said earlier. All right, keep holding. All right, and rest it up, beauties. Great job. Carefully bring your beautiful selves up, okay? And then up next, we have the curls and the rows going. Curls and the rows. All right, team? So you're gonna give me 8 curls and then 8 rows. All right, you're gonna do the open hand curls, square that stance, and then we're gonna switch into that bent over row position, nice and tight with those rows. Okay, team? So get those light, medium to medium set of weights here. Okay, here we go. 8 and 8. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Curl it up, boom. Get your 8. All right, once you get your 8 curls, give me those rows. 8 rows, 5 degrees behind you. Kick that booty out, nice straight back, and just repeat that, okay, team? Repeat that nice and steady. 8 curls. All right, and then those 8 rows. Looking good, squad. Keep it moving. Doing a great job. Almost there. Woo! Woo, woo, woo! All right, beautiful job, team. Rest it up. Get some water if you need it. Get some water if you need it. And then let's get those mats back down. Let's get those nice, comfortable spots on the floor. And let's get that Superman row going right here. Okay, grab those resistance bands. All right, team. Lay on that chest. Arms and legs fully extended. Remember, you got those 2 modifications if you need it, okay? Here we go. 10 minutes, we're going quick, team, we're going quick.
You are now listening to
Here we go, lay on that chest. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up, row, back down, and repeat that. Pull it right to that chest. Arms and legs up, nice and high. Great job, squad. Looking good, looking good. Keep it going. Nice compound movements here. Really hitting a lot of our major muscle groups in our upper body here. Upper body day, let's go. All right, team. Rest it up, good job. Carefully put those resistance bands to the side. Let's snag that 1 heavy weight. Okay, either that 1 heavy weight, those 2 light to light medium weights. We're gonna get that nice hammer press going first and quickly transitioning into the tricep push-up position, okay? Here we go, squad. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Just tap those elbows down. Try your best to keep a nice steady pace here. Inhale down, exhale up, and just repeat that. And nice steady pace, pretty quick. Try not to let the weight rest on your chest. Try not to let your elbows rest too much on that floor. Really targeting our chest and our triceps here. Let's go. Keep it up. Inhale down, exhale up. All right, switch it up. Carefully put those weights to the side. Let's get that tricep push-up plank. Let's go. Tricep push-up plank. Hands underneath that shoulder and hold. Let's go, beauties. Looking good. Let's get it. Abs tight, booty tight. Remember, you can either do this with your knees up or your knees down. Knees up or knees down. But try your best to do it with your knees up. A lot of modifications for these exercises today. Let's go. Keep holding, team. Looking good. Almost there. Almost there. All right. Rest it up. Great job, team. Carefully come on up. Let's switch those weights. Let's get those curls going. Curls in the rows. Nice combo. Combo wombo there. All right. Looking good, team. Yeah, nice light medium to medium set of weights here with the curls and with the rows. All right, beauties, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So get those 8 curls. Remember, ocho and eat ocho for each. And then just get as many rounds as you can. All right, and those rows. Kick that booty out. Back straight, head down. Get as many rounds as you can. Let's go, team. All right, let's go. Let's go. Almost there. Almost there. Looking good. All right, rest it up. Okay, let's finish strong right here. Last one with this quick 10-minute workout. Snag your comfortable spot on the floor. Snag your mats. Let's get another round of those Superman rows quickly, okay? Grab your resistance bands. Let's get after it. Lay on that chest. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Everybody up, let's get it. Get that big pull. Fight that resistance. Pinch those shoulder blades. Let's get it. Almost there, team. Let's go. This is our burnout. This is our burnout. Keep it up. Keep it up with any variation of the Superman. Superman row, just the Superman, just the full Superman, or the modification with the opposite arm, with the opposite leg. All right, team, good job. Rest it up. Woo! There we go. Hopefully your upper body's feeling pretty good with this one. Quick 10 minutes, a lot of strong compounding movements there that we just did. All right, team, remember, live Jazz It Up classes every Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Hope to see some of you there or in another one of these pre-recorded programs. All right, team, pre-recorded classes. Have a great rest of your day. Love each other, love yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Adios.